Today I'm going to show you Cleavers, Galium aparine. Traditionally it was used as a pot herb and it was a very useful plant in medieval kitchens. It basically survives frost and snow and it's quite a hooky plant, so the bristles soften when we cook it. Part of the Rubiaceae family, which is the coffee family, and the seeds have been used as a coffee substitute. Something you need to be aware of when you gather is I've had over 20 anecdotal reports of people getting dermatological reactions on their skin when they gather it. So if you have skin sensitivities, you might want to consider gathering it with gloves. So without much ado, try and find it right now and enjoy the bird call.